Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix bugged lobby in League of Legends. In League of Legends, if you are facing a bugged lobby where there is like 3 or 4 people in the lobby but it is showing 1 or 2 people, it can be easily solved, and here's how. If you are in another person's lobby, all you can do is just get out of the lobby by pressing this exit button on the bottom hand side. Then go to the play button. From here, go to the teamfight tactics section. Just create a normal game and confirm. Now by going into the TFT lobby, your bug lobby issue will be fixed. And if you are the lobby leader in a bugged lobby, for instance, if you are in a quick play lobby and you are the lobby leader, and if you are facing the bug or any other of your members are facing this glitch, all you can do is just head to the change mode button from the top left hand side of the client, then go to TFT, go to the normal and confirm. After creating a TFT lobby, the lobby glitch will be fixed and you can enjoy the game easily.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.